Hello students, today we are going to perform an activity to remove the impurities from muddy water by using the methods of sedimentation, decantation and filtration. For this, we'll need a bottle that is having the mixture of mud and water. We have two beakers here, a funnel and a filter paper. First of all, what we do is we shake the mixture of water and mud and let it stand for an hour or so. Now, as you can see, there are two separate layers. The heavier particles have sedimented down at the bottom of the bottle, while the water, which is still containing some impurities, is forming a layer up. Now, we'll try to slowly take out the upper layer in the beaker. This process would now be called as decantation. Now, as you all can see, we have collected the top layer from the mixture of mud and water through the process that is called as decantation. Now we'll take an empty beaker and we'll try to filter out the impurities using the filter paper that is placed in the funnel. This process would be called as filtration. Now, as you all can see, there are the impurities that are collected inside the funnel. Now, if you observe these two beakers properly, this is the water that was removed using decantation, from which I have taken some water and filtered out. You can see the color difference in between the two waters. This is bit darker and this is clear. That means the impurities have been removed using the filtration method. By this, we can conclude that we can use the sedimentation, decantation and filtration method for removing out the impurities from muddy water.